8 DIY Coastal Home Accessories. Look for interesting pieces of wood that have been weathered to a smooth finish by the waves the next time you're at the beach. It's easy to turn driftwood into a tea light holder with just a special drill bit. A coastal candle holder such as this one looks great on a deck or as part of a beachy vignette on a coffee table. If you're lucky enough to find a longer piece, you could add several more tea lights for a stunning centerpiece on a long dining room table. Thanks to a relatively new spray paint finish, you can turn plain glass bottles into stunning sea glass. Save up your empty oil, liquor, and wine bottles. A variety of shapes and sizes work best, then give them all a coat of sea glass paint, which dries to a realistic-looking frosty finish. Put the bottles in a basket such as this one or arrange them on a tray. Although they look beautiful on their own, these artificial sea oat stems are the perfect finishing touch. Starfish and sand dollars are some of the beach's most beautiful treasures, but they can be hard to find. Or maybe your beach of choice is a lake, in which case beachcombing is limited. You can make ocean artifacts, though, with simple baking soda or salt dough. Then, frame them in shadow boxes or put them in bowls or vases. You can buy antique glass fishing floats, but it would be pretty expensive to fill a basket with them such as this one. Luckily, if you love this look, you can fake it. Plain glass globe vases and a paint finish replicate the look of old floats. Add a net using twine and a simple macrame technique for an authentic feel. Remember the sea breezes and sand in your toes long after your vacation is over by making a memory jar. Fill a large glass vessel with sand, artificial seagrass, rocks, driftwood, or other treasures that wash up on the shore. Other items you could add for extra interest include a favorite family photo taken on the beach, a postcard from the area you visited, or a replica of the local lighthouse from a tourist shop. Just don't make the scene too cluttered. Top it off with a chalkboard tag hung with rope. This naughty lamp is a DIY dead ringer for one from Pottery Barn. Made from rope, it adds just the right kind of texture to a nightstand or end table in a coastal space, giving a nod to a nautical theme without going overboard. Novelty table lamps can go tacky pretty quick. Think lamp bases shaped like lighthouses, but ones made from driftwood or rope are a simple and elegant way to light up a coastal-style room. Add the perfect touch of patina to a coastal-themed gallery wall with a DIY picture frame that replicates the look of reclaimed wood from old boats. The chippy finish, weathered edges, and colors in this frame would highlight a family picture from your vacation beautifully. It's against the law to collect real coral from the ocean floor, but nothing's stopping from you making your own. Start your project in the aquarium aisle of your local pet supply store, where you can find lots of coral figurines for fish tanks, but often in garish, unrealistic colors. Simply spray paint your specimens with white paint in a matte finish for a look that's true to life, or try a glossy red for a more trendy take. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.